Greetings from Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina. Today we're thrilled to present this impressive 2019 Thor Tuscany 40RT, a CARFAX one-owner, all-electric RV with just 38,000 miles and comes fully optioned from the factory. Priced at just $199,900, a staggering $50,000 under current retail value, this 41-foot diesel pusher boasts premium features, including 1.5 baths, aqua-hot hydronic heating with heated floors, and sleeping for up to 6, perfect for family journeys in luxury without breaking the bank. Let's take a look around the exterior to see why this RV is road-ready. This CARFAX one-owner RV is in excellent shape, ready for years of family fun at a fraction of the price of buying brand new. Built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, it offers a smooth, safe, ultra-comfortable ride. Brand new tires all around provide excellent grip for highways or campgrounds. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch makes towing a breeze if you want to bring along another vehicle or toy. Powered by an 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, this RV delivers an astonishing 450 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque through an Allison 3000 6-speed transmission with an electronic shifter. For complete independence, an Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a power slide-out tray ensures near-silent, off-grid power for peaceful camping. The exterior dazzles with a full-body paint in the Avalon graphics package, a real campsite eye-catcher. Storage is abundant with pass-through basement compartments and a slide-out tray for easy gear access. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV and soundbar is great for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends and family. Power patio and door awnings plus slide toppers keep things tidy, dry, and shaded from the elements. One-touch automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls simplify setup on arrival, and rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor ensure confident driving while getting to your destination. 3 roof ACs with heat pumps and an aqua-hot 400D hydronic heating system keeps you comfortable, while 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects ensure reliable power whenever you need it. With 38,000 miles, this Tuscany is primed for family adventures, with solid reliability for years to come. Now, let's stroll inside and set foot on these heated tile floors to see what makes the 2019 Thor Tuscany 40RT an inviting haven for road trippers. Boasting just 38,000 miles, this 41-foot diesel pusher delivers a luxurious, roomy interior that's great for families. The 40RT layout comfortably sleeps 6, blending style and practicality to make every getaway unforgettable. The kitchen is a gem for cooks, equipped with a stainless steel residential fridge and freezer to store your favorites, a dishwasher for quick cleanups, an induction cooktop for spot-on cooking, a microwave convection oven for fast meals, and a sleek stainless steel sink with faucet. A pantry and extendable countertop offer extra space. The living area, opened wide by 3 massive slide-outs, features a comfy pull-out sleeper sofa, dual theater recliners for lounging, and a 50-inch TV that rises on a lift for family entertainment. Nearby, the mid-dining area sports an extendable booth dinette that doubles as extra sleeping space, a 32-inch TV, and an electric fireplace with heat for a warm, cozy glow. At the back, the master bedroom is a serene escape, complete with a luxurious king bed for restful nights, a 40-inch TV for evening viewing, a ceiling fan for cool breezes, and wardrobe closets with drawers for all your gear. This quiet retreat is ideal for relaxing after a day on the road, offering a touch of home. The 1.5 baths add serious convenience. The mid-half bathroom includes a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan for quick stops. The rear full-width bathroom wows with a spacious shower featuring glass doors and a skylight, a large sink and vanity, a toilet, a power vent fan, and a stackable washer and dryer for laundry ease. This RV stands out with heated tile flooring throughout and an AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system for instant hot water and toasty warmth. This 2019 Tuscany pairs family-focused features with the reliability of a gently used RV, ready for your next adventure. The 2019 Thor Tuscany 40RT, with its low 38,000 miles and premium touches, is a standout choice. Powered by a 450 horsepower Cummins engine on a Freightliner chassis, it offers a plush interior with 1.5 baths, a king bed, and a modern kitchen, perfect for comfort and fun. At $199,900, it's set for epic family journeys. Reach out to Porter's RV Sales at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or check out www.portersrvsales.com to learn more. Thanks for tuning in. Let's hit the road together.